Canva has been around for a long time and it is one of the most popular design tools. It can be used to create simple designs and even complex ones. The app was created by some of the most creative minds in the industry and has a large user base. But despite its success, many people are not aware of all of its latest updates, including the new features and changes made to dashboard design. That said, in this short video, I want to share with you 3 new features I learned lately, features that will blow your mind. Online PDF editors are quickly becoming the go-to solution for many types of businesses. The benefits are numerous. They can be used on any device, they work on multiple platforms, and they are easy to use. But did you know that Canva has the ability to open and edit any PDF file? Yes, Canva is an online PDF editor too. Just open a Canva dashboard and use the upload button in the search bar. This way, you can upload even a PDF file. Once uploaded, open the file and edit it. As you can see, it is quite easy to edit anything in the PDF file. If you are creating a text design and want to put a shape behind your text, you have to follow these steps. You need to write a text, get into the element tab and find the shape you want, and then put the shape behind the text. But with the new background feature, this is an old tale. Now you can automate this process. Just create a text and then go to Effects and choose the background option. This action will show you the customization bar where you can change the roundness, spread, transparency, and the color of the shape. Sometimes when we are focused on designing your art in Canva, you don't have an idea of what everything this tool has to offer. Luckily, there is a new feature called Discover Apps. Just go to the home page, go to the left sidebar and scroll down until you see the tools called Discover Apps. This is a place where you can find all the Canva app integration options. This feature will save you tons of time and dozens of open tabs and makes your design creation so simple. Graphic design is a complicated and time-consuming process, but Canva can make it easier for everyone to create professional-looking projects. Since the platform is easy to use, designers can save time by using the drag and drop features. Honestly, I love Canva. It is my go-to tool for most of my designs. It is easy to use, has dozens of useful features, and can be used on both computers and smartphones. And it is great to see that developers of Canva are constantly listening to their users and are adding more and more features that we all need. So, thank you for watching, and I hope this video was helpful. And if you have any questions, then use the comment section and I will try to reply.